Restoring the fidelity of low-quality images and videos is no longer something anyone has to worry about. WinxVideo AI is the best high-quality upconversion tool to significantly improve the quality of any media. This AI tool can upscale a 240p media up to 4K resolution, and I'm not even exaggerating. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to this AI tool and walk you through the process of using this tool to scale up and enhance low-quality media. There's a link to the official website in the video description below, where you can download and install the WinxVideo AI software. After download and installation, launch it, and you will arrive on this interface. As you can see, there are three separate sub-menus: the Image AI, the Video AI, and Audio AI, as well as a video converter, video downloader, and computer screen recording tool. So I'm going to begin with Image AI first. Clicking on it, I'll be redirected to this interface. This is the media preview area, and on the right is the settings panel where you choose the upscale type and factor, and also restore faces or color monochrome images. Let me start with an image. I'm going to click and use Windows File Explorer to locate and load a low-quality image. If you look at this detail at the top left, you can see that this image is only 318 by 159 pixels, which is barely detailed enough for a small screen. I'm going to scale up this image to 4 times after the AI is done analyzing the image and figuring out what and where to add missing details. And here you have it. This is a side-by-side preview comparing the original image versus the upscaled version, which is 4 times more detailed than the original. Here you can see that the new image is 1272 by 636 pixels. If this amazes you already, there's more. One thing that crops up in many images is too much noise, either black or white noise in images. This AI tool can easily take care of that also. As you can see here, the original image on the left contains a lot of noise, but the noise is completely cleaned up in the upscaled and enhanced version on the right. Edges and image features are sharper and more pronounced. Here's how to save the media to your computer. After previewing everything, all that is left to do is hit the Run button, and within a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the speed of your computer, the image will be processed and downloaded into the specified export folder. Now, let's check out the Video AI tool. This AI tool also upscales and denoises videos. I'm going to demonstrate with a few videos. But before the demo, let me show you there's a lot more you can do apart from just denoising and upscaling videos. You can add interpolation frames that increase the FPS of a video clip up to 5 times to make the video smoother and less choppy. Also, there's an option for video stabilization if the footage is too shaky. I'm going to turn these off because I don't need them for the video footage. I only want to increase the resolution of my clip. I'm going to import the video clips and give the AI some time to properly analyze and enhance the videos. The original videos are in HD, and the upscaled versions are 2K resolution. As you can see, these videos have been significantly enhanced. Just like previously, after previewing the videos, all that is left to do is hit the Run button, and within seconds, depending on the speed of your computer, the video clip will be processed and you can download the enhanced version. And this is how this powerful AI tool can be used to easily upscale and enhance media up to 4K resolution. There are links in the video description below to visit the WinxVideo official website and download the software to start upscaling media right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.